Hello, everyone. Welcome to Touch by an Angel Arts and Crafts. With Angel, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a puzzle out of a Dollar Tree dry erase paddle. So the first step would be to head over to Abby's. Shout out to Abby because she created a template to be able to use in Glowforge. That is a SVG. So we are going to head over to her page so that we can get the template. You also want to make sure that you sign up on her page to be able to receive the template. And I had her website up, but I actually don't. So let me pull her website up. Okay, so I have her website pulled up. Let me make it so you guys can see it. So here's her website. And on her website, you just want to go over, well, actually, first you want to create a page, right? After you create the page, you want to go over to the magnifying glass, click puzzle, click the magnifying glass again, and it should bring up a free version of the puzzle. So you'll scroll down a little bit, and it's the first one. You want to click on it. How to make a puzzle with quick free DIY puzzle template. And it comes in an SVG. So what you do somewhere down the line so that you can get the SVG, I've already did it. So the next thing would be to take you guys over to the Glowforge so that you can see what the file looks like inside of the Glowforge. So you want to download it to your computer first, then go to Glowforge, pull up the actual file. So head over to Glowforge, and this is what it looks like. So before you put your paddle in, you want to make sure that you put masking tape over it. Once I took the masking tape off, it did have a lot of residue, so I kind of rinsed it off with some soap, some Dawn soap. So you just want to reposition the puzzle after you pull it up, which is just uploading it into the Glowforge. And you want to move it around so that it fits. At the top, it's a little too close to the top. So I moved it down some. So you see I was already cutting it. So my Glowforge is off. Once you turn on your Glowforge, you want to, I have it on a maximum of, or a speed of 187, and I have it on full power. It takes my Glowforge a couple of passes to make sure it's cut all the way through. So I have it on 3 passes. My Glowforge is fairly old. So if you have a newer Glowforge, you probably don't need to do that many passes, but this is what I do. Over here, it's going to become available for you to click the start button. And actually, let me go ahead and turn it on, actually. So it is pretty loud. Um, so this is what it looks like inside. So let me just refresh. So this is the home page. So you would go create new design. I already have it there, but I'm just going to show you guys how to upload it. So create new design. You want to select your material. I'm using medium draft board. And I'm just going to put in a paddle really quick. Thinking this is the old screen. So you want to click import artwork. Go to upload. Sorry about my dog in the background. You want to click the heart puzzle. Go to open. So now it's going to upload the file that you opened. So it does come with the regular heart and then the cutout puzzle. So I don't need the regular heart, so I'm just going to go to ignore. And then I'm going to go to the puzzle, and I have settings, custom settings already saved. So I'm going to go to my custom setting, and what I have is, again, it's 187, and then full power, and I have it on 3 passes. So I'm just going to move my puzzle over to the paddle, and I'm going to resize it so that it fits onto the paddle. So of course I have something that's already cut, but this is what you would do. Just resize it until it fits. Once it fits, then you'll go ahead and click ready. And then it's going to prepare your print, and then you just click the button on the Glowforge to start the print. So I'm going to cancel it. And that's pretty much it. I am going to show you guys the finished product on the next video, or the next part of the video. Thank you guys for creating with me today, and I hope you have a good day. Protect it. The masking tape. I usually mask it on the table first, and then just kind of smooth it out. I don't need it to go all the way to the bottom. Just like that. Alright, let's load it into the Glowforge. My hands are ashy because I was cleaning the Glowforge. Close it. Load it into the Glowforge. My hands are ashy because I was cleaning the Glowforge. Close it.